So you want to install Rust on your Debian computer. I think if you've chosen Debian, you've chosen a good operating system. There's two ways of installing Rust on a Debian box. You can use the Rust way or you can use the Debian way. The Rust way will give you the newest, latest versions, but the Debian way is easier to maintain in the long run. I'll show you both. To do the Rust way, just pull up your favorite web browser. We're going to be using DuckDuckGo here instead of Google because DuckDuckGo is better for privacy purposes. And just search for something like Rust language, see if I can spell here, download or install, something like that. You should get one of your first hits, something like install Rust. And when you go there, there's your command that you need to download and install Rust. I'm going to highlight that and copy it and go to some sort of terminal program. I'm using console here. And just right click and paste, hit enter, and there it is starting to download. Number 1 down there at the bottom says proceed with installation. I hit 1 and it was very fast on my machine because it is already installed. This will install it to your local user. It does not need super user capabilities. You do not have to use sudo or log in as root. This does not make it available to other users, however. The Debian way, if you wanted to do that, you would sudo apt or aptitude or apt-get install Rust C. You do have to have super user capabilities to do this. And it looks like it's going to download. Notice it's going to download Cargo. The following new packages will be installed Cargo. That's part of the Rust mechanisms that you will become familiar with. And we are now installed. If I run Rust C version, that's giving me the locally installed version, it looks like. Let me see if I've got another user I can log into as. Let me see what other users I've got installed. Bubba, okay. See if I can remember what Bubba's username is. What is it? That's it. Now I'm Bubba, and I do Rust C. Get the version. Version 148. This is the Debian version, and the version as my WestK user, which is the locally installed version, is 158. So you can see that the Debian version is older version. However, updating it is just a simple matter of your normal Debian update commands, whereas with Rust, you would use the Rust update command, which looks something like that. And now you've got Rust installed both as a locally installed in the WestK user profile, and you've got it installed as the Debian version.